Hello everyone, welcome to Next IT Career. This is Anusha Tosca trainer. So today we are going to learn a new thing, how to copy a workspace. So we know we are just creating a number of projects in our Tosca Commander. Let me show you here. So I'm just opening Tosca Commander. Here you can see I'm using 2024.2 version. Now I want to copy this workspace. For example, so many workspaces are created here. So I just want to copy this workspace to another directory. At the time of creating a workspace, here you can see the default directory is here. Present is Tosca projects, Tosca workspace. This is the default directory. Okay. If I open this directory, let me show you. If I open this directory, here you can see a number of projects which is already created this year and last year projects. You can see here. Now, I want to copy one of these projects, this C drive to a D drive. Is that possible? Yes, we can. So simply we can do right click and we can copy it. No. So we cannot do like this. Okay. So whenever you are doing copy like this, you might miss some of the files which are running in a background. So for that, the Tricentis team is introduced new feature to copy a workspace one direct to another directory. We use here TC shell operations. So instead of doing a manually, we just run the TC shell command here. So directly it will copy that entire workspace to the another directory. So here, team, let me show you this TC shell directory option here. So here we are use one exe file. That exe file is here tc workspace clone util.exe. Let me show you here. TC workspace clone util.exe file. So this is a we use always this executable file to copy to clone the workspace one location to another location. So to find this exe file, always go to a commander home, Tosca commander home. To navigate to that, go to your C drive, go to programming files 86, Tricentis, Tosca test suite, Tosca commander. Here TC shell. Here you can see a TC shell add-ins. So TC shell. Here you can see TC shell.exe file, TC support info. You're able to see, right? Here you can see one JSON file is added here. TC workspace clone util. Okay. But we require .exe. Even that also exists here only. So no, we no need to bother about that. But to run this command, we always require this path. Okay. So let me go back to TOS command prompt. Here, just change the directory. What are the directory we are now? Change the directory cd space command. So once you change the directory, now write a tc shell command to clone one location to another location. So to do that, first of all, tc workspace clone util.exe. So we already mentioned this one. After that, just mention a workspace command -workspace. So these commands are not a case sensitive, so we no need to bother. Just enter the which project you are trying to clone this location to another location. Okay. So go back to here C drive and Tosca projects, Tosca workspaces. Let us pick one MS SQL Server. Okay, open this one. Right click on here, properties, and capture this entire workspace path. Just mention here. So once you enter this one, so we have to use here one command, that is the out command. Out. So which directory you want to clone it? So just mention the directory path here. So I just want to clone this one to the D directory Excel. I'm just copying this Excel. Go back to here. Paste. That's it. So this is the command we always use to run to clone a workspace one location to another works. So just copy this entire command. Copy. Go back to your command prompt and paste here. Now see here. Here you can see Tosca Commander Workspace Clone Utility version 24.2.0.18.0. So the cloning is processing. Just wait for some time. So once this is done, we are able to see. Here you can see successfully created one clone of workspace. So clone workspace is done. If you want to check that, just go back to your D drive, what are the drive you just mentioned. See here, team, the D drive is added. MS SQL Server workspace is also added. So the repository is also automatically copied and all the DLL files and required database and all the files. Along with that, MS SQL Server workspace is also added here. Hope this information is helpful for you. So if you need more details on this Tosca point of view, like any kind of challenges, just do a like and add your comment. Based on that, I'll prepare a video and I'll upload into our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye-bye.